What is affiliate marketing? I was talking to some of my Samoan friends and they said they couldn't understand some of my videos. So I'm going to go back to the basics in this video, this short video, about what is affiliate marketing and also what is Clickbank. So if you're new to the channel, consider hitting that subscribe button and the bell icon. And when you do that, I'll make sure you get notified of any future videos. My name is Graeme and I make these videos on affiliate marketing, different traffic sources, how to make money online as an affiliate. So let's get into it. Look, you may have heard of affiliate marketing and just wondering what it is. Really, it's simply where you refer people to usually a link which is a unique link which has a tracking code in it that tracks people that click on it back to you, and that's how you get paid. But affiliate marketing it's really referral marketing. So you refer people to a link and you're not an employee, you don't have an employee or a working employment relationship. You're basically like a commission salesperson. So you refer people to your link, and if they choose to purchase, you get paid. So the great advantage for the vendor or the seller is they don't need to pay salespeople. They pay you when you sell a product. The advantage for you is you don't have to create a product. You don't have to create customer service. You don't have to worry about delivering the product. You don't have to worry about payment processing. You don't have to worry about refunds. You don't have to worry about customer support. It's all done for you with the affiliate network where the product is listed. Let's have a quick look at this diagram. So you've got an affiliate program which you join. You then find a product, promote the product, and then you receive a commission. So simply, that's how affiliate marketing works. It's not much different to a commission salesperson, really. You get nothing, any costs that are incurred, you incur, and then you get paid when you make a sale. Now, there are many different sorts of affiliate programs. There are credit cards that have affiliate programs. There are holiday websites that have affiliate programs. Amazon has an affiliate program. Walmart has an affiliate program. eBay has an affiliate program. Shopify has an affiliate program. And there are many private affiliate programs as well. And you've got the likes of CJ and Clickbank and Warrior Plus and JVZoo. Just go to Google and do a search for affiliate networks or affiliate programs and you'll be astounded. A lot of the time with products, if you go to the bottom of the page, you often will find an affiliate link and you can click on that. There's software that has affiliate links. There's training programs. What I like is digital products. Now, what digital products are, they're downloadable. Most people that buy on the internet want their delivery yesterday. And that's where digital products, and what I mean by digital products is, say it might be an ebook, it might be, which is a PDF file, it might be a training course which is delivered over the internet, it may be in a Facebook group, there may be training videos, maybe, and so the list goes on. But you're able to deliver it instantaneously, and that's what people want. And the commission scales on digital products because the cost of having the product is very minimal. The cost of creating the product, and then all it is hosting it somewhere. There's no physical product, there's no real ongoing costs, and so you're able to receive high commissions from these vendors because their ongoing costs are very limited. All right, so I've just gone to Google, as I said before, and typed in affiliate programs. And if you have a look, 105 best affiliate programs of 2021 for high paying for beginners. So somebody's done a lot of work for you. Have a look over here in the keyword tool that I have, and it gives you other keywords, free affiliate programs. Now, a lot of programs for affiliates are free. There are some that you need to purchase a product before you can become an affiliate. But have a look around, see Commission Factory. And if you go through here, there are literally hundreds. I mentioned booking.com. So here I am on booking.com. And if you scroll down, look at this. Become an affiliate. So you can see you get paid to promote booking.com or send people through your affiliate link to the accommodation, and when they purchase you get paid handsome. And here, whatever you can think of, I've just typed into Google cruise ship affiliate programs, the 10 best cruise affiliate programs. Cruise Direct, cruise affiliate program, Cruise Direct. So you can see here they pay you 3% of the gross sales plus other highlights as well. So, and another search, I just done a search for credit card affiliate programs. And if you have a look up here, it lists 10 best credit card affiliate programs, and it'll get you started looking at them. And you'll be surprised, a lot of these have affiliate programs set up with them as well. All right, so I hope that's shown you some different sorts of programs or products or services that have affiliate programs. Now you can go to Amazon, you can go to eBay, as I said, Walmart. They all have affiliate programs. Some of these for a physical product. Now with physical product it doesn't pay as well because they've got overhead, they've got to store product and so on and so on. All right, so I've covered what is affiliate marketing, and whether it be a physical product, a digital product, a service, it is all the same. You promote a product that is not yours usually through a unique affiliate link. Most of this is done online, and then when it sells, you get paid a commission. So what's Clickbank? Now, what is Clickbank? Well, Clickbank is one of the oldest affiliate networks, and we call it a network because all the products on here are not owned by Clickbank. They're all individual product owners. Clickbank is it's the website where they do all the processing for the payments, credit cards, all those things, and in the back end they process the affiliates commission, they process the vendors payment, they process customer service, refunds, all that on the vendor's behalf, and they take care of it so that you don't have to deal with it as well. Now, if you have a look, it's Clickbank's one of the oldest affiliate networks. It's in over 200 countries, and it's been around for 20 years. It's a place where I first started online. It's paid out over $4 billion in commission, so it's pretty easy to sign up to become an affiliate. But what I'm wanting to show you, it has over 3,000 products, and there's something like 100,000 affiliates that promote products on Clickbank. So you sign up your account, you give them some details, bank details, tax details, those sorts of things, where you live. There are a couple of countries that you can't get an affiliate account with Clickbank. Go over to a website called Digistore24 and you'll probably be able to sign up there, and a lot of the products are similar. But you can do this, as I said, with travel, with accommodation, with credit cards, Amazon, eBay. You'll be shocked by what products have affiliate programs. So here is the marketplace for Clickbank. What is Clickbank? Well, as I've said, it's where people store their products that they want to sell. And look down the left-hand corner there, and it shows you all the categories: arts, entertainment, betting systems, business and investing, cooking, food, e-business, education, employment and jobs, games, garden, and so on, just to mention a few. And then if you'd open these up, there's then many subcategories within that. So if you have a look in the business and investing, it's got all these other categories: career, industries and professions, commodities, debt, derivatives, economics, equities, foreign exchange, international business, marketing and sales, and small business and entrepreneurship. And then you open it and then you find these products. So let's have a look. With Clickbank, what do? How do you find a product to promote? Now, I'm not going to go into traffic methods because I've got other videos here on many different sorts of traffic. But what you would do to find a product is we have a thing called gravity. Have a look down here. Obviously, you want to look at how much average commission you're going to receive. Like anything less than $20 is probably not worth promoting. You can make more money by promoting bigger ticket products where you don't sell as many, but you make more money out of it. Now, what you want to look for is a thing called gravity. If you have a look down here in the stats, it shows a rebill as well, which means it's got a recurring component. So you get probably monthly, get a couple $20 a month. And this has got a gravity of 7 or 8. Now what gravity is just the number of other affiliates that have made at least one sale in the last 30 days. So there'll be some affiliates that have made multiple sales, but it measures the number of affiliates that have made at least one sale. So gravity is a way to determine demand. High gravity, high demand, but the double-edged sword is high gravity is high competition as well. So you're competing against a lot of other affiliates. If you knew, I'd probably look at something under 100, gravity under 100, as long as, I'd even go over here and filter for the last couple of months. What's been listed in the last couple of months is going to have lower gravity, and there's not as many affiliates promoting it. And the reason is a lot of affiliates are lazy. They look for the top, the highest gravity products, and they promote them. They're not looking at new products that have got a lower gravity. So they're competing in a lot of other things. So you want to do things different to what the crowd does. So if you're to choose a product that's got, gravity of 5 up to 100, and it's only been listed for a couple of months because you can filter by time listed on the market, that'll be a much better way to promote the affiliate link. Now, to get your affiliate link to promote, you just click on the promote, and if you're logged in, your nickname will already be populated. You then just click on generate hop links, and that ugly looking link there is your affiliate link. Anyone that clicks on that will be tracked to you, coded to you, and if they purchase, you get paid. Now, I always use a bit.ly link, bitly.com. You can go there, paste this link in, and you'll get a nice, neat looking link. So this is bit.ly, and there's either a free account or a paid account now, and you don't even need to register because you can shorten the link by just typing that long, ugly affiliate link in here and going short, and that's your, it doesn't look spammy, nice and short. But what I would suggest is that you register for a free account, and why I suggest that is you're able to track the number of clicks to your link. So you know whether 10 people, 20 people have clicked to your link, and just an indication for you to know what's going on with your clicks. So if you want to make money online, you want to get started as an affiliate marketer, selling other people's product, as we call it, affiliate marketing is a great way to get started online. Hope you've enjoyed the video. I'll have more videos on traffic, which is how to get people to your offers. I hope you've enjoyed this video on what is affiliate marketing and what is Clickbank. Now, if you want to know how to get traffic, and what I mean by traffic is getting people to your offers, to see your affiliate offers. I have other videos on the channel where I cover in detail many different sources where you can get people to see your offers. Now, if you've got value from today's video or you've liked today's video, leave a comment below. And if you've got any questions, also leave them in the comment section below. Also, consider hitting that subscribe button and the bell icon. And give us a thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video. And when you subscribe and hit that bell icon, you'll get notified of future videos. I hope it's been of value to you. Now, if you're interested in getting some free landing page software which enables you to collect people's email addresses, just click on the link in the top left of the video, the thumbnail there, that pink color thumbnail. It'll take you to another video, and then in the description of that video, you click on that link. You can register for the free software. Now, you don't need a credit card. It's on the cloud, so you don't need hosting, and it's lifetime access. Look forward to seeing you in the next video.